The closing march is a symbolic representation of the four houses marching in a magnificent manner into the sports arena. We can now witness the four houses marching together in the tour sportsmanship. Marching right in the front, you see the school leader, Master Advait S. of Standard 12B, guarding the entire parade of cadets behind him. He is an excellent athlete and responsible leader. Followed by the General Captain, Master Dennis K. Robin of Standard 11B, who is a skillful leader and a competent athlete. Followed by the Assistant School Leader, Aditya Narayan of Standard 10B, who is an efficient leader and an exceptional athlete. Followed by Second Assistant Leader, Anantu A.S. of Block 9C. Following them are the marching squads of the four houses of Loyola. Spontaneity and creativity. Third in line, we have the house captain of the JJ House and the cadets saluting our chief guest. Dressed in blue, they represent the ideals of serenity, reliability, and wisdom. Last in line, we have the Essence House captain and the cadets saluting our honorable chief guest. Dressed in red, they symbolize passion, sincerity, power, and strength. This is indeed a moment of pride and joy for the students of Loyola School. Now, we will witness the four houses marching majestically in front of you, dressed in the vibrant colors of the house, green, yellow, blue, and red. The four houses have entered the sports arena. We have the AP House, the DD House, the JJ House, and the SS House, all marching impressively. Let's give them a huge round of applause for the grand marching they showcase. We can witness the four houses marching together, the true sportsmanship spirit. This is indeed a moment of pride and joy for the students of Loyola School. The students understand at each position.
There are no secrets to success. It is a result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Successful people maintain good habits in every area of endeavor, which helps them develop a reputation. The way one works determines the quality and quantity of rewards. Among us today is one such great person. On this joyous occasion, we take pride in inviting our Honorable Chief Guest, Group Captain Manarat Shiloh from Southern Air Command to address the gathering.
Respected Father P.T. Joseph, Father Roy, the parents out here, the organizers, the volunteers, and most importantly, the participants, my dear children. At the outset, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Loyola School for giving me an opportunity to be part of this wonderful day. And before I go on further, I would like to congratulate each and every one who has put in a lot of effort to make this event a great success. I am told in these stages that most of the practices or training is done by the Lobo or Loyola Old Boys Association and the students themselves. That was evident in the ground also, with least supervision from the staff and the teachers. The students have performed well, and I would give a compliment to the marching contingent. It was an excellent show by you all. Okay, 30 years back, I was standing, or I was part of you, or I was on the, part of the contingent. And I was part of running around, I was part of the sports. But that time, normally it was said that you become physically fit, you are strong, your body is good, your stamina is good. But now I realize what is more than the stamina and your physical fitness, the sports gives you. The sports gives you to make friends, sports gives you discipline, sports gives you to work hard, aim high, to reach a better high. More than that is, you develop resilience in you, you develop perseverance in you. The most important thing out of sports is every day's win and lose. Okay, at this young age, you are seeing your failures, you are seeing your success. You are taught how to behave in both cases. This makes you a disciplined citizen, a law-abiding citizen, and that is what sports mean. And I also warn you, not all of you be Dhonis, Kohlis, your neighbor. But what you are going to learn out of the sports is that you are going to be a team builder. You are going to be a team player. Okay, tomorrow all of you will go and join maybe ISRO, maybe you will be an astronaut, you will be an army officer, you will be an Air Force pilot, you will be an IAS officer, you will be an IPS officer. All the places, what is required is teamwork. So sports makes you a team player and a team builder. That is what is going to give you success. And gentlemen, remember, failure will always be there. Today, whoever has won the meet or the sports event here is not going to be benefiting much. But the guy who failed, he is the one who is going to benefit most, because he is going to stand up again, work hard, and he will be the winner tomorrow. Just remember that failure is not a issue at all. You must participate with true sportsman spirit in all activities of school. Okay, I would like to narrate two stories which happened with us when we were in peace mission in United Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, the riot was between tribals there. Okay, what has happened is we were sent as peacekeeping force there. Now they were not accepting us as a peacekeeper. Then what we did was we organized weekend runs, we organized sports with their children. That made us become close to the population out there, and thereafter we could get them on online, and the peace was achieved. Similar story was there when we went to US to get the Apache helicopter, wherein the training was for all of us with different culture, different slang, different food habit, all that. But the evening games and the sports, there we made familiarity with each other. That made us more capable, more friendly to our associates there, and that came into our offices, and we could do our task very easily. Gentlemen, one more warning is, or one more advice is, sports is not all. As I said, you may not become Dhoni, you may not become Kohli, or you may not become Neymar. But you have to use the sports as a driver to your academic excellence also. So whenever you feel low, yes, go pick up a ball, go play basketball, come back half an hour after playing, then stay with your studies. Okay, that is what is required. And finally, it was a fantastic performance by all of you, and my appreciation to organizers and the school staff and the parents who spared their children to be part of the sport day. With that, thank you all. I wish Loyola all the best.